Brought me this rim to Ben, his sister, hit. I think she hit a semi truck from the looks of it. I really think she actually jumped a curb. That's going to be a big pull there. So you look, no cracks. No cracks. That's a good thing about a factory wheel. Got a little mark there, but don't see a crack down in. There's not a crack in the bead, not a crack in the lip. Like the main bit of the damage is in this area. So get it mounted up. We'll take a look at it and see. 1/2 millimeter is what we're looking for. 1/2 millimeter of bend, which is minimal. This is 4 or 5 millimeters. Let's see what we can do.